Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi SQ8 Black Edition PS Tiptronic. It comes finished in the stunning Daytona Grey pearlescent, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the car has done 15,140 miles. Standing on 22-inch alloy wheels with a 5 twin spoke design, the red brake caliper adding a colour pop, making a bold statement with every turn. With just a click of the button, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs, as well as those larger items such as pushchairs and suitcases. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery with the white contrast stitching and the centre armrest with 2 handy cup holders for those longer journeys and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. Taking a look around, as you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin you have the flat bottom 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Now, one of the main features on this car is the panoramic glass sunroof, allowing natural daylight to flood the cabin, making it feel light and airy. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery with the iconic S & Boss logo. Not forgetting the electric seating adjustments and a 4-way lumbar for added support and comfort. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and the gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with friends and family, and a wide view of the satellite navigation map. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode such as dynamic for a more sporty drive, or comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aid for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. Driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB radio station to sing along to. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below you have the dual zone climate control, so both driver and passenger can choose their preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside. With the added luxury of the heated seats for keep you warm on those chilly mornings. With a hidden compartment with 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees and a 12-volt charging point. Finished off with the all-important automatic gearbox, with the electric parking brake adding a modern flair to the car's profile, 2 handy USB ports, and Audi phone box with wireless charging to keep the devices powered up. If this is a car for you, call today on 01782 488 205. Thank you.